Hello and welcome to educateafricans.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get all the past questions. Studying past questions and answers are very important in your scoring very high in your Jamb. And we have a wonderful YouTube channel known as Tclassified.com where we've solved all the past questions that you need. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get these past questions. Once you get to YouTube, just type into the search column Tclassified.com. So once you type in, you click on it, it will open up to this very channel that you're seeing here. So once it opens up, click on videos. So once you click on videos, you will now see all these are our videos. These are our lecture videos. If you scroll down, you're going to start seeing the past questions. This is for WAEC. You can see CRS, government for different years. So if you keep scrolling down, you're going to start seeing for Jamb. You're going to start seeing for NACO. This is for NACO. All the past questions. And these past questions are video tutorials. As you're watching them, you're seeing how they are solved. It's different from the book Q&A that you normally buy, where the answers are just written. Some of the answers, they don't explain how they got about the answers. In this our own, we did what we call very detailed explanation. So if you're looking for video past question and answers that you need, and like I said, if you want to score high in Jamb, you need to have solved the 5 most recent past questions in the very subjects that you're writing. So you can see these are for Jamb. This is Jamb 2010 physics, 2010 government. So if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see all the past questions. We've already solved them. See, this is 2020 mathematics, 2012 chemistry, 2016 government, 2020 English. And all our past questions are done in a very detailed way after much research. And that is what you need for you to practice and get ready for your Jamb examination. So the name of the YouTube channel is Tclassified.com. Tclassified.com. That is the parent company of Educate Africans. And that is where we have all these videos. So from this YouTube channel, you can easily get to Educate African by clicking on this very place. You can also follow us on our various social medias, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So this is where you need to be in for you to do all your past questions. Once you get there, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that anytime we release a new video for past questions, you will see them. Also, if you click on all these our videos and you like them, make sure you hit the like button and share the videos so that your friends, family, and other people can see and start using them. So make sure you cover the most recent 5 years of past questions for the various subjects they are doing. And the best way to get those past questions is at our uh, YouTube channel, Tclassified.com. There, everything learning for people writing Jamb, WAEC, NACO, and other external exams. We've taken our time to do research and provide the best solutions. You find out that when you're going through some past questions, you see they have plenty wrong answers. The ones here in Tclassified, we took our time to do research and we make sure that the accuracy is very high and it will be very helpful to you. And the way we did this past question is that when we are solving one question, it's as if we are teaching you the whole concept, because we don't just go and click uh, and tick the answer. We take our time to tell you why the ones that we think that are not the answers are not the answers. So it's a very detailed work, and we believe that it will help you. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section of this video. You can always call my number for help. My phone number is +234 7067162698. So this is our website here, educateafrican.com, and it is linked to this our YouTube channel, educateafrican.com. That is where people are going and learning. If you're a student that you're not there, then you're missing a lot, because there you're going to see even these past questions that I've just shown you in our YouTube channel. You're also going to see them here. But most importantly, you're going to now see lectures, video lectures. You can see them here. This CRS, this literature, commerce, any of them you want to learn. can click on them. You see quizzes that are from past questions. But before you start, make sure you click on this students registration and register and log in as a student so that you can be able to view the videos. If not, opening the videos will be difficult for you. So two learning material for you to be very good is educateafricans.com and the Tclassified.com YouTube channel. So once you go to YouTube, just type in Tclassified.com. You're gonna see this channel. Hit the subscribe button immediately. Subscribe and click on the bell icon immediately, so that anytime we release any video, you'll be the first to see them. Thank you and God bless.